Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Binance create account step by step. Start by using a dedicated email, then visit Binance and click Register. Enter your email and strong password, verify email, complete basic profile fields, and prepare ID for verification. Follow on-screen prompts carefully and enable two-factor authentication right after login to improve security and reduce risk. Begin registration by selecting email or phone and entering your details accurately, then create a strong password with numbers and symbols. Confirm the verification codes sent to your inbox, complete the basic profile, and read the terms. After account creation, explore security settings and set up two-factor authentication to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and voice control, perfect for playing market updates while you trade. It fits easily on a desk and responds hands-free, making multitasking easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Access identity verification from your account dashboard and choose the required verification tier. Upload a sharp photo of your government ID, follow camera instructions for a live selfie, and ensure all details are legible. Submit and monitor the verification status by email or in the app. Verification speeds vary, so be patient and respond quickly if extra documents are requested to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.